today we will learn how to reset your WordPress website in a right way. And the best part, this method works no matter which hosting you are using. But that's not all. I will show you a powerful emergency method. Think of it like an insurance system for your website. Even if you completely lose your access to your admin dashboard, you will still be able to create a new admin user, remove the hacker, and take full control of your website again. And throughout this video, I will show you some really useful features like resetting only posts or only pages without touching anything else. So make sure you watch till the end, because some of these features can literally save your website one day. So this is the website we are going to reset. Go to WP Admin Dashboard. Now we will install a WordPress plugin. Just click on Add Plugin. Search Resetify. Click on Install Now and activate it. Once the plugin is activated, scroll down and go to this Resetify settings. So this is a very simple interface, but before doing the standard reset, let's check another thing. In the custom reset section, you will find delete all posts, delete all pages, all media, etc., etc. So just click on it and click on delete selected item. So this is a very simple system. So let's check standard reset, which means your website will reset to default. So I want to keep all users and I want to delete media libraries. That's why I am unchecking it, and it will create a default snapshot before reset. So I'm keeping the default settings and click on perform standard reset. It is showing me as two-factor verification, like it is saying to type domino press to confirm. Then click on perform reset. So standard reset completely successful, and it will be redirect after I click OK. So reset completed successfully. Let's check our website. See, this is a complete fresh website. And if you go to the plugin pages, you will see all the plugin is now deactivated except this Resetify plugin. So at the start of the video, I mentioned about emergency script, which is this. Here its name is emergency access tool. So what is this emergency access tool about? At first I have to say this is a pro feature, but I'm pretty sure after you understand the usage of this tool, then you will definitely need it. So let me install the pro version in this website and I'll show you what is this emergency access tool. So I have the Resetify Pro license. I'm going to download it. So this is the plugin I have downloaded. And in the license section, I will copy the license. Now I will activate the Pro version. So this is the Resetify Pro zip file I just downloaded, and I'm going to install it. Once the Pro version is activated, you no longer need the free version. Click on Activate License. I'm giving the license key. So Pro version is activated. So let us go to the emergency page. So at first click on Generate Access Tool. Within a second, it is showing a success pop-up. So basically it gives us an URL and a password protection. Let me open it and see what actually is this. I'm going to open it in a new incognito window. So it is asking for a password, which is this actually. So this is the emergency recovery mode. Here you will find some option like disable all plugin, reset theme, create emergency admin. So this is what I was talking about. And also you can activate or deactivate any plugin from here. You can easily select and deactivate or activate. So let me show you how to create emergency admin. Before creating the admin, let me show you the existing users. By the way, you must save this URL and save this password in a separate place so that you can easily get access from any device or any location. So let's go to the users panel. There are two users, emergency admin and WP wiki. And go back to the emergency recovery mode. Click on create admin. Instantly, emergency admin is now created. Let's see, does it work or it's a scam? This is the login page. Paste it here and now use the password. See, we just logged in, and if we refresh this page, you will find this user admin here. Isn't it amazing? So this is the video on how to reset your WordPress website in the easiest method. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel and please hit a thumbs up in this video.